Jai Srimanarayana. 135th Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Lokadhyakshaya Namaha. Ho Srimanarayana, you are the Master, you are the Lord of all the entities who practice righteousness. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Lokadhyakshaya Namaha. Om Lokadhyakshaya Namaha. Visualizing our Master, our Lord, Srimanarayana within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Kausalya Mata crying a lot after getting to hear about Rama Vanavasam from Ramachandra Swami's mouth. Kausalya Mata fell down. Rama lifted Kausalya Mata. Rama took Kausalya Mata very close to him, and Rama started putting his hand on the head of Kausalya Mata, and he could not speak a word but trying to console only by putting his hand on his mother Kausalya Mata. There is Lakshmana Swami also right next to them. Now Kausalya Mata is saying that, Ho Raghava, Yadi putra na jayetha, mama sokaya Raghava. O Rama, if you were not born to me, I definitely realized that all the people would have made fun of me. All the people would have told me that I am barren lady. I do not have any children. That grief, I realize that grief is very, very less than the grief that now I am going through. O Rama, if you were not born, it would have been very good, but now this grief I am unable to bear. O Rama, I never had any kind of comforts. I never had any kind of pleasures. I never had any kind of happy moments in my entire life. O Rama, though I am the eldest wife of your father, I did not get that kind of honor at all. Your father did not give me that kind of respect and honor to me at all. I have been waiting. Finally, you are born. Ever since you are born, I have been waiting. At least after you become the prince of this kingdom, I would get little bit of joy and comfort and happy moments I will probably start enjoying. With that kind of waiting, I have been living on this earth. O Rama, ever since I am married, I have been getting all kind of So much, so many words, so many scoldings I have been getting from my co-wives. Their words used to tear out my heart. To that extent, I went through all kind of discomfort in my life. Ho Rama, mama soko vilapascha yadrusoyam anantakaha. The troubles I went through, the problems I have faced, the insults I have faced, the grief I went through is not something that I can explain. To that extent I have went through everything. Oh Rama, now when you told me that you are going to go to Dandakaranyam, I am feeling like there is no end to my grief. Oh Rama, when you were here, after you are born, when you were with me, I got so many insults and I never got any kind of respect here. Now if you are leaving me here and going to Dandakaranyam, then definitely Kaika is going to put me so down than her own maids. Oh Rama, I am going to become alone after you are gone. Oh Rama, I felt that after you are born, my all troubles are gone. With that hope, I have been living for last 28 years. Oh Rama, now I cannot endure anymore. I have no patience. I cannot take all these troubles anymore. I cannot cry anymore. Rama, without seeing you, without having you with me, I cannot be alive on this earth. Oh Rama, I feel like my death is very close to me. Like that, Kausalya Mata crying a lot after getting to hear Ramavanavasa news. Now, how Rama is going to console Kausalya Mata, we will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. 15th sloka, today onwards. Lokadhyakshah Suradhyaksho Dharmadhyakshah Krutah Chaturatma Chaturvyuhah Chaturdamshtrah Chaturbhujah. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Lokadhyakshaya Namaha. Om Lokadhyakshaya Namaha. Om Lokadhyakshaya Namaha.